Question 1. Observations of my car engine computer indicate that fuel consumption F is proportional to the square of my speed, V. 50 mph, I use 0.2 liters of fuel per minute. How many liters per minute would I expect to use at 80 mph? F is proportional to V squared, so we can write F equals to K, a constant, times V squared. We've been given the fuel consumption to 0.2, so 0.2 equals to K at a speed of 50 mph. So 0.2 equals to K times 50 squared. So the constant K equals to 0.2 divided by 50 squared. We can write F equals to 0.2 over 50 squared times V squared. So F equals to 0.2 divided by 50 squared at a speed of 80 mph. So we write 80 squared. So the fuel consumption is 0.512 liters per minute at 80 mph. Question 2, rearrange the formula V equals to U plus CTU to give C in terms of V, U, and T. Now V equals to U plus CTU, so we move U to join V, so we write CTU equals to V minus U, therefore C in terms of, therefore C equals to V minus U divided by TU. Question 3, ABC is a right-angled triangle. AB is of length 4 meters and BC is of length 13 meters. 3A, calculate the length of AC. So here we use Pythagoras' theorem. So AC equals to the square root of 13 squared minus 4 squared. So AC, the length, equals to 12.4 meters. 3B, calculate the size of angle ABC, the middle letter. So the angle, that's the adjacent side, which is given 4 meters, and we've been given the hypotenuse. So we use cos. So cos B equals to 4 divided by 13. So the angle ABC equals to shift function in your calculator, cos, which gives you cos to the power minus 1, open bracket, 4 divided by 13, close bracket, equals to 72.1 degrees. Hence the angle ABC is 72.1 degrees. Question 4, before I went on holiday to Spain, I changed 500 pounds into pesetas, PTA, at an exchange rate of 238 PTA per pound at the travel agent. I was abroad for 6 days. My bed and breakfast was already paid for, but I bought all my other meals. Each day, a lunch was 2,000 PTA and supper was 4,000 PTA. I rented a car for 1 day at 3,000 PTA. Finally, I bought some presents for 4,000 PTA. When I got home, I changed my pesetas back to pounds, but this time the rate was 250 PTA per pound. Find to the nearest penny the amount of money that I had left over after this holiday. So first you change 500 pounds to pesetas at a rate of 238 PTA per pound equals 500 times 238 gives us 119,000 PTA. The total cost of lunch plus supper for 6 days equals to 6 times 6,000, which equals 36,000 PTA. And therefore the grand total cost of the holiday equals to 36,000 plus 3,000 plus 4,000 equals 43,000 PTA. Therefore, the balance equals to 119,000 minus 43,000 equals 76,000 PTA. We now change 76,000 PTA back to pounds at a rate of 250 PTA per pound equals 76,000 divided by 250 equals to 304 pounds. Question 5a, solve the simultaneous equations x plus y equals to 12, 4x minus 3y equals to minus 1. So here we use elimination method, to eliminate one of the terms either in x or y. Here I'm going to eliminate the term in y. So we multiply x plus y equals to 12 times 3, gives us 3x plus 3y equals to 36, and 4x minus 3y equals to minus 1. The terms in y are now the same with opposite signs, so we add to eliminate the term in y. So 7x equals to 35. 7 into 35 is 5, so x equals to 5, and y equals to 7 when you substitute x equals to 5 into one of the equations. Part B, hence write down the value of p to the power minus 1 and the value of q to the power half if p to the power minus 1 plus q to the power half equals to 12, and 4p to the power minus 1 minus 3 q to the power half equals to minus 1. Hence, we can write that p to the power minus 1 equals to 5 and q to the power half equals to 7. We can write q equal to q to the power half times q to the power half. Therefore, the value of q equals 7 times 7 equals to 49. P to the power minus 1 equals to 5. 1 over p equals to 5. Therefore, p equals 1 over 5. Question 6. 6a, make a the subject of the formula s equals to ut plus at squared divided by 2. So we move ut to join s. So we can then write that at squared divided by 2 equals s minus ut. We cross multiply, so we write at squared equals to 2 open bracket s minus ut close bracket. So a, when you divide both parts by t squared, so a equals to 2 open bracket s minus ut close bracket divided by t squared. 6b, given that u equals to minus 10, t equals to 4, and s equals 80, calculate a. So here we substitute the values given into the formula. So a equals to 2 open bracket 80 minus 40, all divided by 16. Minus times minus is plus, so 80 plus 40 gives us 120. 120 times 120 times 2 is 240, divided by 16 equals 15. Question 7, factorize as fully as possible. 12x to the power cubed, 7a, 12x, y cubed minus 4x squared y. Factorize completely as 4x, y, open bracket, 3y squared minus x, close bracket, because 4xy goes into 12x, y cubed, 3y squared, and 4xy goes into 4x squared y x times. 7b, s squared minus 8x plus 16 factorizes completely as x minus 4 in bracket squared. 7c, 6x squared plus 13x minus 5 factorizes completely as 3x minus 1 in one bracket times 2x plus 5 in the other bracket. Question 8, 8a, expand 2x plus 1 times x plus 4. So here we use the for method, which expands as 2x squared plus 8x plus x plus 4, and we collect like terms. So expanded completely equals 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. 8b, factorize completely x squared plus 4x minus 45. Factorizes completely as 2x, open bracket, 2x minus 3, close bracket, because 2x goes into 4x squared 2 times, and 2x goes into 6x 3 times. 8c, factorize completely x squared plus 4x minus 45 equals x plus 9 in one bracket times x minus 5 in one bracket, because 45 factors in 45 is 9 and 5, plus 9 minus 5, yeah, or if you like, plus 9x minus 5x gives us plus 4x. Question 9, the diagram shows a solid, a cylinder. The radius of the cylinder is 54 centimeters. The height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. Calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder and give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. So area equals to 2 pi times the radius, which is 54, times the height, which is 10. So equals 3,392.9. We wanted to 3 significant figures, so the answer is 3,390 centimeter squared. Question 10, A factorize 3x plus 6, factorizes completely as 3 open bracket, x plus 2 close bracket, because 3 goes into 3x x times, and 3 goes into 6 2 times.